Kohima de aji August 26 se Guwahati High Court laga Chief Justice Ashutosh Kumar visit kura honor kurigina reception program lishe. Reception program do High Court Bar Association laga bar room pra lishe. Chief Justice Ashutosh Kumar pra program de kota kura samai kushigi Nagaland laga lawyers kan do ekta special responsibility carry kuria ro itu do cases de larai kura eklan hoigina tradition peer preserve kure. Program law homoy Hcba bra Guwahati High Court laga Chief Justice ke representation pi dishe. Representation diado High Court judges appoint kurubuli aro senior advocates designate kurubuli nimide thakishe. Details sai sabo.
The state of Nagaland has been created under the State of Nagaland Act 1962. Under Section 13 of the Nagaland State of Nagaland Act, there is a provision that the Guwahati High Court shall be the common High Court for the state of Assam and Nagaland. But in 1971, this High Court became the common High Court for the entire Northeast, that is including all the 7 Northeastern states. And after 1 year, in 1972, Nagaland was pleased to have a separate beach under the name and style of Kohima Beach, Guwahati High Court Kohima Beach. That was a separate beach. After that, after about 18 years, on 10th of February 1990, this separate beach has been declared and inaugurated as a permanent beach of the Guwahati High Court. And it was inaugurated by no other than the Honorable Chief Justice of India, Justice Sopayashi Moguchi. And since then, this beach has been functioning as a permanent beach under Guwahati High Court. In 2013, 3 states, that is Hcba, Manipur, and Meghalaya, they were granted independent separate High Court, but then Nagaland has reached the pass in 2013.
A Chief Justice cannot make a High Court, but he has the potential and the capacity to destroy a High Court. I would definitely eschew from falling in that category. The measure of the strength of a court is equivalent to, and it is very akin to, the measure of the strength of the bar. See, unless the bar comes up to the expectation of the bench will not perform. You lawyers here in Nagaland, you have a special responsibility. It is not only argument of cases, but preservation of the traditions as well. And as all of us are aware of this, see, there are countries in the world where these tribal regulations have the constitutional approval. Constitutional, I mean, by practice, by precedent, they have attained the status of law, and it is respected more than the statutory law. I'll tell you, I don't remember the name of the countries, but I was told that in some of the countries where these rules, the local rules, which is administered by local councils, like you have your village councils, they are really important to be understood, very necessary to be respected, and to be followed diligently. See, in one of these countries, I clearly remember, they say that when a village council or a local council decides a case, it doesn't declare the winner. It's not a question of winning or losing. They declare it as a day where there is a feast of reconciliation. The idea of justicing in these local system of justice delivery system is to heal, is to reconcile, and not hold the stronger party the winner. So I presume that you also have your village councils, you also have great respect for the elders who decide cases. So that's one aspect of the matter. It has to be in consonance and in conformity with the constitutional provisions, with the law of the land. So your responsibility as lawyers of this court is very, very onerous. We decide cases as judges, we decide according to law, but then the judgment will be correct only if you assist us diligently and with integrity and with a sense of purpose. Honesty does not only mean charging less or more fee. Honesty of purpose is important. If you think that the issue requires adjudication, you have to be fearless in your arguments without being deterred by the homilies or the harsh tone of a judge. He is not going to harm you. A judge is always a friend. And I can tell you as a lawyer, I have always had most difficult judges who could be handled very easily. If you appeal to their common sense, appeal to their sense of justice, they do that. And I think all of you have that quality in large measure.